Okay, here's the video on the Polaris 9300, and as with many others, the rear wheels have snapped off because of the poor design of the tyre, and I've ordered new ones as well as the white connectors. So when you order the wheels, also get the white connector which locks the wheel in. Now I've watched a few videos where they show you how easy it is just to put in a little device here and push the little plastic down and the wheels just pop off nicely, which is unfortunately not true. So if you're in the same position as me and you've tried everything, then this is by far the one and only and best way to do it. What you're essentially doing is drilling through the little plastic catch, and you drill far enough until the white plastic comes off. Then once you've finished drilling, you just lever it a bit and voila. So here you can see where you've drilled through and got rid of that little clip, which in my case, because the plastic was brittle or hard, just wouldn't bend to allow it to come off. There we are. Problem solved.